Hi all, welcome to another mathematics session, and today we are going to derive the formula for compound angle tan A plus B and tan A minus B. If you remember previously, we had a derivation on compound angle for both sine and cosine, and today we will dive into tan. So this discussion will assume that you already know actually the formula for compound angle sine A plus B, which is actually sine A cos B plus sine B cosine A, and also you know formula for cosine A plus B, which is cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B. So the fact that we know these two formulas, we are going to use these formulas to derive the formula for tan A. Of course, tan A plus B, this is actually tan, an apology. From definition of tan, this is sine A plus B over cosine of A plus B. So I'll plug actually the formulas we have here already. That sine A plus B is sine A cosine B plus sine B cosine A divided by cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So the next step, we are going to divide by cosine A cosine B throughout. We're saying that divide by cos A cos B throughout the expression. And when we do that, eventually you'll be having sine A cosine B over cos A cos B plus sine B cosine A divided by cosine A cosine B over, you'll be having cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B plus an apology minus sine A sine B divided by cosine A cosine B. So the next step is only simplification, and cos B cos B will be simplified, cos A will be simplified, and cos A over cos B, cos A over cos A is 1, cos B over cos B is 1. So basically the expression will be deduced to sine A over cosine A, which is tan A, plus sine B over cosine B, which is tan B, divided by 1 minus sine A over cosine A, that is tan A, then sine B over cosine B, that is tan B. So we are going to conclude that basically tan A plus B, this is tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is compound angle formula for these actually added angles tan A and tan B. And we are going to derive now similar formula for tan A minus B. And I'll see that for tan A minus B, for tan A minus B, we will just consider this to be tan A plus negative B. So in a place of negative, you are going to, in a place of positive B, you are going to put negative B. And so here we'll be having now tan A plus negative B. This is equal to, we have tan A plus tan of negative B divided by 1 minus tan A, then tan of negative B. But I want to remind you that a tan is odd function, so tan of negative B, this is negative tan B. Tan of negative B, this is actually negative tan B. And so from this formula, we can easily see that now tan A minus B will be equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. So that is a formula for tan A minus tan B, dear students. So we have derived two expressions today. We have derived the expression for tan A plus B, and also we have derived the expression for tan A minus B. So that is derivation now for all compound angle. And actually we have seen already the compound angle formulas for tan. You go back to cosine as well as sine. So that is all for today's discussion. In the coming video, we are going to see examples related to compound angle formulas. Until next time, I wish you all the best in mathematics learning journey. If it is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that we are going to grow as a community, but also we are going to receive as many input as possible from you guys through commenting, sharing and liking the video, and by doing that we are going to multiply the effect. See you then in the next video. Peace.